Hey, what's going on? My name is Alex with Portland Event Films. Today I want to talk to you about these ND filters and if you're shooting weddings, why it's a must and what situations I use these in. Let me just get off the top and say I am not a fan of variable ND filters. I've used them before. Now when I'm having multiple cameras for like a ceremony and I want to match them up to make sure that my f-stop is the same, the ND filter is the same, it was really, really hard. And I found that a lot of my footage getting back when I had the variable ND filters, they just had like a brown tinge to it, and I really wasn't a fan. But I really, really do like these. It's really nice. So this actually just magnetizes. I'll be spinning forever. And then this is the part that is going to screw onto the lens. It's clear. And what we do is you screw this on the front, and then so that way if I'm shooting inside, I run outside real quick, I just snap that on there, and it makes it really, really convenient when I'm storing it away. Don't have to use my cap. I can put this here, throw it in my bag. This usually is on my gimbal. It doesn't weigh too much, so that way when I'm on my gimbal and I need to peel this off, it's really easy to do, and then I could throw it back on when I go inside. So for me, I just felt that I was wasting a lot of time taking ND filters, screwing them on. I also have the Peter McKinnon ones that flip up, but I felt like when I was using my gimbal that it just threw the balance off way too much. It wasn't productive for what I do. Now, I really do like these. They look pretty good in the video. I don't really notice a big difference when I have this on versus when I take it off, as far as like color shifting in different colors and hues and stuff like that. So I really, really like these. I went ahead and got one for every single lens that I have. I still have this one, which is an 86, I believe, that I need to get. But other than that, but all my other lenses, my 70 to 200s, I went ahead and picked up some of these, and they're amazing. They're a huge time saver, and I would not leave my house without it when shooting a wedding. If you have any more questions about these, my name is Alex with Portland Event Films. Thank you.